Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Fullbringer moves in Type Soul Roblox. Alright, this ability doesn't appear by chance. It sits behind a specific progression checkpoint and a ritual-like trial that tests your readiness. Most players stall wondering how to access Fullbringer, assuming it's a random drop or hidden reward. The truth is structured. You have to earn grade 2, seek out the right NPC, and survive a high-stake combat trial inside your inner world. Now, what I meant by grade 2 and seek out to the right NPC is that in order to get the Fullbringer ability in Type Soul Roblox, your character must reach grade 2 through mission board experience. Okay, progression from grade 5 to grade 2 is handled purely by completing faction mission boards. Once you hit grade 2, travel to fake Karakua town and locate Alec Ginjo. You can press the comma key to show points of interest if you have trouble finding him. Speaking with Alec Ginjo begins the Fullbringer sequence. After the dialogue, you just need to fill the leftmost bar by either gripping enemies or meditating. But I would highly suggest that you just meditate. Now when that bar fills, meditate again to the inner world. There you interact with the shadow version of yourself, triggering the trial. There will be a lot going on in that trial, so just complete the trial, and after that it will just grant you your Fullbringer moves. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.